Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and this tutorial we will learn how to create such complex modeling in a SketchUp using a free plugin. Okay, so here we will start from a rectangle. So first you have to draw a rectangle here like that. Okay, and then here we will draw a arc line just like that in a vertical direction, and we need to flip it using a flip tool. Just click and drag and press Ctrl to mirror other side. Okay, and we will again use a arc line tool. So just click here and click over here, click, drag from here, press Ctrl and enter, just like that. Okay, erase this, and again we need a curve line at this side. Okay, you need extrude tool. Okay, so if you don't have, you can download through the link in description. You have to first draw a rectangle here. So here I'm drawing. Before that, here you can see these two curve line are not connected. So for that you have to right click and you have to use weld tool. So just click over weld edges option, right click, weld edges, and here we need again another curve line. So I will draw a small curve line over here like that. So this one is separate, this one is separate, this one is separate, and this one is separate. So we need a 4 curve line. Now we will select this rectangle line, click over here, click at the bottom curve line, then first rail, second rail, and final building points. Here you can see there is a 3 options are inside the settings, like a profile and rail, profile and rails. So here I am selecting profile and rails and clicking OK, just like that. Now we need to create a skin over here. So for that we need to click over here, first points, first line, second line, third line, then final fourth line. But here you can see that I have created extra truss at top of this model. For that you need a push pull tool. So again I am creating here a skin. For that you have to go inside, select entire model. Here we will use joint push pull tool, and I am giving a thickness. Okay, now you have to select entire model, then click and select lattice maker, then click OK button. So guys, this is the method that I have used to this complex model in SketchUp. So you can download this plugin through a link in the description, and please subscribe, like and share this video to others, and see you next tutorial guys. Have fun. Thanks for watching.